need chicken, carrots, celery, onion, garlic, parsley, olive oil, chicken broth, and egg noodles. Heat the oil in a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Add the chicken and brown on all sides, about 2 minutes per side. Reduce the heat to medium and add onions, celery, and carrots. Cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally until softened. Add the garlic, parsley, salt, pepper, and saute for another minute. Add the chicken broth and give everything a gentle stir. Cover and increase to medium-high heat. Once the soup has come to a boil, reduce to medium-low and simmer for 10 minutes. Stir in the noodles, cover and increase the temperature to medium. Heat until noodles are cooked through, about 7 minutes. Give the soup a taste and add more salt and pepper as needed. Serve hot and enjoy.